First of all, we open Canva app. Then we click the plus icon. Then, click the custom size, and fill 176 into 176. Then, click the create new design. Then, click the white frame, and choose the color option, and selected orange color. Then, click the plus icon, and search element. Search, web circle frame. Choose, your own frame. This PNG also provide in the description. And change the color. I choose, white. Then, resize it. Then choose your photo, from gallery. Then, click the plus icon. And, search frame, and choose the circle frame. And, drag your photo into this circle. Then, click the photos. And here you see 3 dot. And scroll right, and click the send backward options. Then, place it, and click the download option. Now, you can upload this photo in your Facebook account or pages. Make like the first one. Choose background from gallery. Background photo download link in the description. Click the plus icon, choose element, and search lighting frame. Choose first one, and also this PNG download link in the description. Click the plus icon, and go to the gallery. Then choose your photo. Search frame, and select the circle frame. Drag your photo into the frame. Place it, then click the picture. Click 3 dot, scroll right, and select backward option. Now, download the picture. And thank you so much for watching my video.